Next up is Lightshot. For the last couple of years, I used to use a extension called Clipular, and I would use that for taking screenshots on my Chromebook. But I have found another screenshot extension that I actually like better than Clipular, and this one is called Lightshot. It's a lot easier to use. So once again, this is the link that will take you to the Chrome Web Store to add the extension if you decide you want it. And the way this one works, I've already got it added to my extension bar, and you can see it's the little purple feather right here. This is the symbol, purple feather. So let's say, for example, I find something and I want to take a screenshot of it. So I go to my extension bar, I click the purple feather for Lightshot. You can see when I hover over that, it says take a screenshot. When I press that, it actually opens another tab and it kind of grays out the screen. Well, that's my signal that it's okay to click and drag. So I'm going to click and drag. Let's say I want to screenshot this. You can see the dotted lines there. And then when I release the mouse, I'm done clicking and dragging, I get some options along here. I have a tool that I can scribble with or I can write with. I can make lines if I need to, or I can add arrows. Ooh, look at the plane. I can add shapes like that. I think this might be a highlighting tool. Yep. So I can highlight words if I need to. There's a text option. And I have not quite figured out, maybe, I'm not sure how that one works. I haven't figured out the text box option yet. So I'm going to skip that one for now. Maybe you can figure it out for me. And then down here, I've got some options too. This first one with the cloud, this is a upload button option. And you can see that I am, it uploaded it. And that's not what I wanted right now. So I want to go back into this again. Hang on, I'm going to do this again. Okay, so that would be an upload button. Then I also have a share option. I can share on different social media if I wanted to. This would be to search similar images on Google if I wanted to, but right now I don't want to do that. Print option, which maybe infrequently you might need a print option. And then this is the save option, and this is an important one. I know it looks like a floppy disk, which is not something you're familiar with, but that is the save option. You can see when I hover over that, it says save. When I click that, it's going to open my save window. And I just want to point out a couple things to you in this window. I'm not sure everybody's aware of this. On a Chromebook, when your save window comes up, you've got a couple options. You have a download folder, and that's kind of like a temporary place where things are saved. But you also have the option of saving it directly to your Google Drive. And so where it says My Drive, when you're logged into your Chromebook, it is referring to your Google Drive. So when I click my toggle open, I can see all of the folders that are in my Google Drive. And then I can choose, if I want to, if I want this screenshot to go into a folder in my drive. So you actually have a couple of options. Oh, and by the way, I would also suggest that you give it a name, because probably the default name is just going to be screenshot, and that's not going to mean too much. So real important that you understand, you can just go ahead and let it save in your download folder if you want to, if it's just something quick you're going to use it for, or if it's something you want long term, then save it to one of your drive folders. And that is the Lightshot Chrome extension.